Afghanistan is a landlocked country located in South Asia and Central Asia, bordered by Pakistan, Iran, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, and China. It has a rich cultural history, but has been heavily impacted by conflict in recent decades. Here are some key points about Afghanistan: capital and largest city. Kabul. Population: approximately 40 million. Languages: Dari, a dialect of Persian, and Pashto are the official languages. Religion: the majority of Afghans are Muslim, predominantly Sunni, with a smaller Shia minority. Government: Afghanistan's government structure has fluctuated due to the ongoing political instability. As of 2021, after the US and NATO withdrawal, the Taliban regained control of the country and established a new government under their rule. Recent history: Afghanistan has endured decades of conflict, including the Soviet-Afghan War, 1979 to 1989, Civil War, and the US-led invasion after the September 11th attacks in 2001. The Taliban's return to power in 2021 significantly altered the political landscape. Economy: Afghanistan's economy is fragile and largely dependent on agriculture, particularly the cultivation of opium poppies. Decades of conflict, lack of infrastructure, and international sanctions have contributed to poverty and instability. Would you like more detailed information on any specific aspect?